The story so far. The Pandavas reach the forest and find shelter. Krishna visits them and asks them to fight the Kauravas. Yudhishthir disagrees with Krishna and tells him that the time for war is yet to come. During their stay in the forest, they face difficulties. They fight the Rakshas Kirmira and defeat him in battle. When news about the defeat of the Pandavas in the gambling match reached Krishna, he became agitated. He learnt about how the Kauravas deceitfully gambled and cheated the Pandavas into giving away all their possessions and wealth. As soon as he learnt about the incidents, he left Dwarka to meet the Pandavas in the forest. Krishna was filled with regret because he couldn't help the Pandavas in their desperate situation. At the time when the Pandavas were being defeated by the Kauravas, Krishna was protecting Dwarka from enemy attacks. Upon meeting the Pandavas, he insisted that they fight the Kauravas and take back their kingdom. The Pandavas disagreed with Krishna and told him that anger and revenge did not fit his divine nature. Seeing the terrible condition of the brothers, Krishna blamed himself for not being present at Hastinapur. Had he been there, he could have prevented the gambling match from taking place. Unfortunately, the situation in Dwarka at the time was not stable. The city was being attacked by King Shalva, who had pledged to destroy Krishna and his family. Shalva had worshipped Shiva and was granted the boon of a flying ship which could not be destroyed by anybody. When Shalva heard about the death of his friend Shishupal, his resentment grew and he launched a series of attacks on Dwarka. He sent numerous troops to attack the city and used his airplane to launch attacks. The attacks on Dwarka had started when Krishna was attending Yudhishthir's Rajasuya Yajna in Indraprasth. Krishna's return to Dwarka coincided with the war. In his absence, Ugrasen had taken charge of the war. Shalva could not do much damage to the city as it was well protected by forts and high walls. Upon Krishna's return, he took charge of the war. The battle continued for days till Shalva's army was reduced and outnumbered by Krishna's army. The war ended when Krishna used his Sudarshan Chakra to separate Shalva's head from his body. Having spoken these words, Krishna made preparations to leave. He promised complete support and allegiance to the Pandavas. Yudhishthir and Arjun embraced Krishna and sought his blessing. Krishna, thus satisfied, mounted his chariot and left for Dwarka.